Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is Mizpah. Mizpah is something worn to signify remembrance. It can be a ring or a pendant, usually worn by lovers. Mizpah is Hebrew for watch over, as mentioned in the biblical story of Jacob and Laban making a pile of stones, marked an agreement between two people with God as their watching witness. While in geography, Mizpah may refer to one of the several places in ancient Palestine where Jacob and Laban erected a heap of stones as a sign of covenant between them. Mizpah jewelry was popular during the Victorian era from the mid to late 1800s and was generally given to a loved one during a period of long separation, such as military service or travel. It was generally given as a forget me not and symbolized a bond of love between two people. While in late 1800s it became less popular, the jewelry experienced a revival, however, in the early part of 1900s when men required to leave their families to fight in the World War I. Towards the end of the war, interest in the pieces waned and they never really regained popularity, although some sweetheart jewelry was also popular during World War II. Let's have a look on some sentences. A Mizpah ring. Mizpah half coins. Some Mizpah pendants are designed to split apart so each person can wear half of the pendant as a reminder of their love until they are together again. And this was Word of the Day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.